I'm just gonna say one thing.
What?
I'm speechless. No, seriously, I'm seriously speechless. I've been messing with this guy for a minute.
Yeah,
one thing I
what's the switch car like?
Since 435.
On the Porsche, we did, you know, of course, clay bar wash, taped everything off, the rubber trim. Right now, we're at the compounding stage, so after that, take off the tape, wash it, then do the final polish, then do the ceramic coating.
So it gets polished one more time after this?
Yeah, it gets polished one more. After the compound is the stage where we're taking off all the swirl marks, the paint fade, and all that stuff, taking as much of it out as possible without harming the paint. Then after that, we wash it again because the compound does a lot of dust and all that stuff.
Yeah, I've seen the dust a little bit.
Clean it up, do a final polish, and then install the ceramic coating, and then you're good to go, man. Out of all the cars you had, this was the most intense one. Though.
Yeah, this car has 125,000 miles on it. And it never had PPF on the front. It doesn't look like
No.
There's rock chips, all types of stuff.
It was driven.
He convinced me that it could be saved, and I didn't believe him. I was actually gonna have BJ over there do a wrap job on the car after Yuri got done with the paint correction, but man, take a look at this. Did this thing in that matte black, which I think is sexy, man. Super sexy. I was never a fan of the Cayennes, but doing it stealth like this, and it's a really sexy combo next to the 911. Man, the thing just looks so sexy over here. But let me take a look at this Cayenne. Big giant red brakes, satin, and they wrap this, which is super cool, gloss black. This is the exact same idea I had for the 911. Since it was already gloss black, I was gonna keep the mirror caps and little things like the door handles gloss black, while matte and the rest of it definitely would need some darker window tint. This right here, the Audi RSQ8, man, it's a fire car, or SQ8. I think it's SQ8 because it doesn't have the big brakes on it. Yeah, just the SQ8, but man, this is like the baby Urus. Nice quad exhaust. Man, pardon me if English is not what comes out next. Whoever bought the car first, a clear bra would have been perfect, like a PPF in the front. I know a lot of guys do like the half thing, and I mean, now I kind of see it makes a little bit of sense because somewhere around this line or a little bit north of that is where you can see just peppered with a whole bunch of little rock chips and things like that. But this car had no PPF on it. You know, taking delivery of it, or me getting it, being the second owner or third owner. We have a joke going, it's called the driver's spec, obviously, because specs of rock chips on the front. It's showing a little bit of imperfections of my own personal doing, though. Like these headlights, you know, you guys remember I did those. And, you know, I think I touched the inside too much on this one. This one's still good. This one's pretty good. You can still see some fingerprints. That's on the inside. So, I'm not too concerned about that because I'm just going to swap them out for 992 ones anyway. I just wanted to tackle a project on my own. Luckily enough, too, it's super easy to rip these off. I can just unglue them and or rip them apart and do it again. I may not. I don't know yet. There is zero freaking swirls over here, bro. I took the wing off to do work, and I just threw the wing somewhere, and I ended up scratching it while I did that. I put a box right here, too, and I know I scratched this. I decided to rip this PPF off because I wanted to see how well the PPF did. I had no experience in ripping PPF off. I just yanked it off, and it came out disgusting. Looking at this paint makes me upset.
Why?
Because it could have been in a much savable position if I did not just destroy it, like, because I didn't care about it, man. One thing I will say, though, is when you get a car clean like this, especially a 125,000 mile example, you notice things more when you get it clean. Like there's a few dents and dings over here that I've seen that I didn't see before, but it just run along the lines with the car being a lot cleaner. You know what I mean? And you start to notice a lot more different things because the reflection is bouncing off of this thing. Spectacular. You should have seen how I yanked off the PPF. And, oh, it's starting to stick?
Yeah.
Man, PPF, you never realize how tough it is. But see, the PPF kind of yellows a little bit, you see?
Yeah, but you're not gonna see it on black cars though.
Ah.
You're gonna see it on a white car or a yellow car, any like lighter colors.
But you won't see
on
black.
on the black car, you're not gonna see it. It does a really good job of protecting it. That's why.
And I ripped it off.
You gotta always, I don't know why.
I ripped it off like a genius. Yeah.
There wasn't even a dent behind here too.
There was?
That probably would have been a big rock chip, a big paint chip if the PPF wasn't there. That's why they always put it in here. But from factory, it's usually not enough. A lot of people, when we do it, if you're not doing the whole panel, you extend it at least further out here so you can get fuller coverage. You know, just like on the M car too.
Yeah.
It has the dog leg area in the back where they put the PPF. It works.
Take a quick look at the
Yeah,
interior,
you can take that stuff out though.
man.
You can do it in the wash because this is gonna get washed again.
125,000 miles. She looks mint. I think I want to buy new floor mats too. Those floor mats are pretty used and abused, right?
Yeah, they were dirty.
I think I need. Oh wait, you guys cleaned them too?
Yeah, we shampooed them.
Oh wow, hold on. Now I don't even need to buy new floor mats. They look mint. The driver's side does have a hole. I remember that.
That one was the only one that was dirty.
Bro, I didn't even know the rear had floor mats, I'll be honest. Luckily getting out of work a little earlier today to finally pick up the 911. I'm super excited to see how it looks. I keep looking up because he said he's gonna drive it to meet me, but I couldn't wait. I'm just super hyped. Oh. That looks like money. Yo. Oh. Yo. Yuri. Yo, my man. Yo. You don't play. Let me get some pics real quick. Yo, Yuri, you don't play, man. You know that?
No games.
Anybody tell you that? Don't play with this man.
All right, sounds good. But how you been otherwise?
Yo, this thing is incredible, bro. Bro, this is it. This is it right here. Get down on one knee. Yuri absolutely killed it. This thing right here was peppered. He killed it, man. It looks even better outside in the sunlight. Man, what do you guys think, man? I'm speechless, bro. I'm lost for words, man. This thing is beautiful, bro. Just something about the way that all-wheel drive bar goes across the end too. That adds to it. I gotta get exhaust tips. I ripped the old ones off, man, because they weren't up to par. Like they weren't up to the status of this thing. Look at that, boy. You got the deep dish pizzas right here. Check that fitment. Deep dish pizza, boys. Man, I am by far blown away as to how this thing looks. Yuri's car right here. It's Acura Integra. He says it's dirty, but it honestly looks more shiny than my car. Bro, he said cap. Nah, it does, man. He gotta let me drive this thing one day. I'd be just excited to drive these as I am my car, bro. Yo, is my old Civic still over there? Is my Civic still?
No, it's gone.
It's gone?
Yeah. Are we looking, man?
Yo, Yuri, come on now. Stop playing with me, man.
Mirror.
Stop playing with me, though, bro. God. God. Just like that, we're back. We are back, ladies and gentlemen, back on the road. I am so happy. I mean, I'm stoked, man. Now it's time to get this puppy home, all the way back to CT. Tonight's gonna be a long night. I don't have anybody to help me transport the cars, so I gotta take this all the way back home to CT, park it up, hop on the Metro North, then hop on the Long Island Railroad to get the X3, and then take the X3 back home, because, well, it's 5:02, and your boy gotta be at work at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, so, yep. Guess I'm eating on the go. Thankfully, I got out at a decent time today, but the Porsche is back. We ready to roll. This thing is so freaking nice. As soon as we get back to the house, I got some more things for it too, so stay tuned, man. I'm super pumped to freaking enjoy this thing. I hope you guys love this video and all the ones coming soon. Mike from Slow Speed. Peace out. Man, she's quiet, man. Definitely need an exhaust. She's quiet. We're getting gapped by the train.